Okay, yeah. So I'm back. I've come back. Now let's see how long time my students take to get back to the class. Just waiting for them and hope the board is clear now. Just before some minutes, I disconnected the class because the screen was not clear. I was not able to read the questions of my students. So because of that, I disconnected the class and then I came back live again. And I told them before going, I told them to just come back faster. Now let's see who can come faster. Waiting for them. Waiting for the student. Okay, so one student has already come online. Okay, sir, I'm here. Yeah, yep. So Priyanka has come. Tanisha has come. Arpita has come. Good evening, Arpita. Okay, good evening. Good evening, guys. Okay, good evening. Now, whoever has come online, just hit the like button faster. Do this. Okay, and yeah, this topic is clear now, like whatever we were discussing about, like how to find out the missing rational numbers, how like find out three rational numbers, find out seven rational numbers, find out nine rational numbers. So this is the method by which we can find out the rational number between any two rational number. Is this clear to you? Both is not clear. Board is not clear to Kritika. Sir, board is not clear. Yeah, okay, let me just do something. Okay. Is the board clear now? Check out now. Is the board clear now, guys? Is the board clear now? Tell me faster if you can see the board clearly. If the board is clear now. No, sir. Still the board is not clear. Oh gosh. Just don't know what's wrong with this. No, sir. No, sir. Support is not clear. Okay, let me just do something. I just don't know what's wrong with the board. This one obviously. No sir, board is clear. Okay, just check out now. Just check out now. I hope now the board should. Okay, just this. Now the board should be clear. I think. Check out. Is it clear now? No sir, is no sir, not clear. Okay, now is it clear? Is it clear now, guys? No, sir. Oh gosh. Okay, wait, let me just write on something on the board, then check out if you can see the board clearly or not. Okay. Okay, I'm just writing something rational number. Can you see this on the board? Rational number. I wrote down something. I wrote down rational number. Rational number. Is it clear? Can you see this on the board? Whatever I wrote down on the board, rational number. Sir, clear. Okay, so yeah, so I mean this is just only clear to Nitin, but about other students this is not clear, I guess. And I just, yes sir, okay, good. So now it's clear to even Kritika also. So I think the problem has been sorted out. Now the board is clear. All can see clearly, I think, right? Okay, so it's been just clear to Priyanka also, to Kushi also. Good. Okay, so let's move on. Yes sir, it's clear. Okay, good. So shall we move on to the next topic? Previous topic is clear now. The previous topic is clear to everyone. Tell me faster, guys. Yes sir, okay, good. Okay, so previous topic is clear. The topic was, okay, whoever joined the class now, let me just search clear. Okay, good. Okay, so this was the condition when the denominator, okay, in this condition the denominator was same. So when the denominators are same, then we have to follow that method that I just told you before 2 minutes. We have to follow that method when the denominators are same. Okay, now what if the denominators are different? Like suppose if the denominators will be different, then what we will have to do? Okay, so now I'm just going to tell you, if the denominators are different, then how to solve that question. Okay, so let's see one example. Suppose the question is same, find out find out what to write down here, two rational number. Find out two rational numbers. Find out two rational numbers between. So find out two rational numbers between, suppose the number is 5 divided by 3 and another one is 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. Question is clear now? I have two rational numbers. One is 5 divided by 3 and another one is 3 divided by 2. And between these two rational numbers, we have to find out another two rational number. Clear? Question is clear, I think. Okay, and in this question, between two rational numbers, we have to find out other two rational numbers, and here is given that denominators are different. So understand very carefully. If the, yes sir, is clear. Okay, good. Yeah, good. So if the denominators are different, when the denominators are different, okay, good. So when the denominators are different, then we have to follow this structure, I mean this formula, this method. First of all, we have to find out the LCM of denominators. Okay, is this clear? We have to find out the LCM of denominators. So what's the denominator here? 3. So LCM of 3 and what is the second denominator? 2. Is this clear? First of all, we have to find out the LCM of denominators. So what are the denominators? The first one is 3 and the second one is 2. So what's the denominator of what's the LCM of 3 and 2? 6, right? What's the LCM of 3 and 2, guys? 6. This much is clear to everyone. If the denominators are different, and if we have to find out the rational number between these two rational number, so this is the steps. First of all, we have to find out the LCM of denominators. Is this clear, guys? This much is clear to everyone? Yes sir. Okay, good. Yes sir, it's clear. Okay, good. Okay, now second step, what we have to do, we have to just convert the denominator into same. We have to make the same denominator. Okay, we have to make the same denominator. Now see this step very carefully. So what we have to do, in denominator, in the place of denominator, we will write down the LCM. So what's the LCM? 6. The whatever the numerator is given, just write down the first numerator 5, then multiply sign. This much is clear, guys? Multiply sign. Now LCM will be divided by the denominator. LCM will be divided by the denominator, and whatever the answer we will get, that will be written down here. Is this clear? LCM will be divided by the denominator, and whatever we will get, that number will be written down here. Okay, so let's see what's the LCM. 6. And what's the denominator here? 3. So 6 will be divided by 3. What's the answer? 2. So here what we will write down? 2. Okay, now let's solve this. 5 2s are 10 divided by 6. So this one is the first new rational number. Now second one, what's the second one? 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2. Okay, so how to just convert this? What I told you, this denominator, in place of this denominator, we have to write down the LCM. So what's the LCM here? 6. Then we have to write down the numerator, then multiplied by sign. Then what's the formula? LCM divided by denominator, and whatever the answer we will get, that will be written down with this. So LCM is equals to 6 divided by denominator is equals to 2. So what we will get here? 3. So write down here 3. Now 3 3s are 9 and divided by 6. This much is clear, guys? This much is clear how we got 10 divided by 6 and how we got 9 divided by 6. Is there any confusion in this? Tell me faster. Is there any confusion up to these two steps? Okay, these two topics are clear, I think. No sir. Okay, there's no doubt in this. Okay, so that's good. Yes sir. Yes sir means like you have confusion, Kushi? No sir, it's clear. Okay, yeah, it's clear to Nitin. I think okay, Kushi has a little bit doubt in this. Tanisha has also a little bit doubt in this. Okay, so tell me, Khushi and Tanisha, where's the doubt? Which point is not clear? Okay, no, sir. Okay, yeah. So that means it's clear to them. They were telling me yes, it's clear. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, good. Okay, now let's see the next step. Now, what I told you, first of all, we have to write down the smallest fraction. Smallest fraction. Okay? And how to find out the smallest fraction? If the denominators are same, this one is also 6, this one is also 6. So when the denominators are same, then simply just see that which one is the smaller numerator. What's the numerator here? 9. What's the numerator here? 10. So obviously, which one is the smaller fraction? Tell me faster. Tell me. Let's see who can tell me the answer faster. Which one is the smaller fraction, or which one is the smaller rational number? 9. Okay, good, good. Yeah, so the smaller rational number is 9 divided by 6. The smaller rational number is 9 divided by 6. Okay. Now what we have to do, just serial number. The next number will be what? The next rational number will be what, guys? 10 divided by 6. So these are the two rational numbers. Okay, these are the two rational numbers. Okay, is there any confusion about this? They just really want something abusive, child abuse. Thanks, we have received. Nine by 6. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir, it's clear. Okay, so I think there is no doubt in this topic, I guess, right? If you have any confusion, then you can just ask me again. If any topic is not clear, then you can ask me. And if this topic is fully clear, then we are just gonna move on to the next topic. Okay. Tell me faster. If you have any question, then you can ask me now. Yes, no, sir, it's clear. Okay, good. So if this topic is clear, so can I give you one question to solve? Are you guys ready to solve one question? If this topic is clear, then tell me. Okay, if this topic is fully clear, then I'm gonna give you one question, and you have to solve that question. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir. Okay, good. So I'm just gonna give you one question. You have to find out the answer. Okay. Ready, guys? Okay, good. So the question is, you have to find out four rational numbers. You have to find out four rational numbers between 1 divided by 2 and 3 divided by 2. Okay, wait. Between 1 divided by 2 and 5 divided by 2, you have to find out three rational numbers. Three rational numbers. Just remember one thing, that denominators are same, and there are two types of method. One is when the denominators are same, and when the denominators are different. For this question, the denominators are same, so just apply that method. Okay, and now let's see who can tell me the answer faster. Okay, let's see. Just get a copy pen and just start solving. This side area is just starting. So because of that, I think maybe you guys are facing a little bit problem in the audio. Okay, so let's see who can tell me the answer faster. Hope the question is clear. You have to find out three rational numbers between 1 divided by 2 and 5 divided by 2. Okay, and there are three types of method actually. One is like 9th, 10 level, 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8. Okay, so one answer is Mina's Priyanka's answer 4 by 8, 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. Okay, let's see. All all have got the same answer. Let's check out. 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8. So two students have given me the answer. One is Priyanka and one is Nitin. Let's see about other students' answers. Waiting for more 2-3 answers, and then we will just check out if this answer is correct or not. Okay, so just solve faster and just type your answer faster. 4 by 8, 5 by 8, and 4 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8. Okay, all got the same answer. Okay, good. Now let's check out this. Okay, method is clear, I think. If the denominators are same, then what we have to do? How many rational numbers we have to find out? 3 rational numbers. So we have to take the next number. 4 by 8, 5 by, okay, all got the same answer. Okay, good. So let's see this. Let's check this out. What's the condition if the denominators are same? So if we have to find out 3 rational numbers, so the numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 4. So what we got here? 4 divided by 8. Okay, now let's solve the second one. Here is 5 divided by 2. So again the numerator and denominator will be multiplied by 4. So what we got here? 20 divided by 8. This much is clear. Okay, now the smaller fraction is 4. So first one will be 4 by 8. Second one will be 5 by 8. Then 6 by 8. Then 7 by 8. Then 8 by 8. Then 8 by 8. Is this clear? Is this clear to everyone, guys? And how many rational numbers we have to find out? 3 rational numbers, so which is like 3. Okay, yeah, we only have to find out 3 rational numbers, so which are this: 4 by 8, 5 by 8, and 6 by 8. And what was your answer? Let me check out that. So your answer was also 4 by 8, 5 by 8, and 6 by 8. Okay, good. Okay, good. So I think that means this topic is clear, I guess, right? Okay, so just okay, let me just check out. Okay, yeah, good. So there's no doubt in this question. I think yes, sir, it's clear. Okay, good. Okay, so I think you have this question in your book. Okay, like chapter 11. Chapter 11 has this question. Okay, you have to find out the rational number between this 5 rational numbers, 6 rational numbers. Yes, sir, it's clear. Okay, good. So you have also this question. You have this question in your book also. So now I hope you can solve this question. Okay, is this clear, guys? Can you solve this question? Yes, sir. Okay, good. Okay, let's solve another question when the denominators. Okay, yeah, good. Now we will solve one question when the denominators are different. Okay, we solve this. Okay, good. So let's see the another question. The another question is what? Minus 4 divided by 5, and the second one is minus 1 divided by 2. This is the question. Minus 4 divided by 5 and minus 1 divided by 2. This is the, yes sir, okay, good. So this is the question, and we have to find out 5 rational numbers between this. How many rational numbers we have to find out between this? 5 rational numbers. Okay, so just see which method we have to apply, first method or second method. Because see, what's the denominator here? Denominator is 5. What's the denominator here? Denominator is 2. So who can tell me, I mean, which method, first method or second method? Tell me faster. Let's see who can tell me the answer faster, first method or second method, guys. I'm waiting for the answer. Second method. Okay, good. Second method. Good. Okay, you guys are super attentive. Okay, good. Okay, good. Yeah, all gave me the right answer. Okay, good. So what is second method? If the denominators are different, so first of all we have to find out the LCM of denominators. So the first denominator is 5. LCM of 5 and 2. Okay, so who can tell me the LCM of 5 and 2? LCM of 5 and 2. What's the LCM of 5 and 2? Second method. Okay, good. Okay, good, Kritika. Okay, good. Now tell me what's the LCM of 5 and 2? Okay, 10. Okay, good. So LCM of 5 and 2 is equals to 10. Okay, This step is clear. Now what's the second step? We have to change the denominator with LCM. So in denominator, what we have to write down? 10. What's the numerator here? Minus 4. So write down minus 4 multiplied by what the formula? LCM divided by denominator. Okay. So LCM is what? 10 divided by denominator is equals to 5. What we got here? 2. So what to write down here? 2. This much is clear, guys. The plus into minus. Minus 4 to the 8 divided by 10. This step is clear, guys. Is this clear to everyone that how we got minus 8 divided by 10? Is it clear to everyone? If you have any confusion, then you can ask. And if you don't have any confusion, then we will just move on to the next step. Yes, sir. It's clear. Yes, sir. Good. Good, 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 good. Okay, good. Now let's see the second fraction or second rational number, that is minus 1 divided by 2. So in place of minus 1 divided by 2, what we will write down? Minus 1 divided by 2 will be written down as how? The denominator will be 10 now, minus 1, okay, same numerator. Again, LCM divided by denominator. So what's the denominator here? 2. So LCM divided by 2, that is 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So minus 1 will be multiplied by 5. So what's the answer? Minus 5 divided by 10. This much is also clear, guys. Okay, if this much is clear, then now I'm just gonna ask you one like little bit logical question. Okay, little bit complicated, maybe a little bit difficult. So okay, tell me faster. If these 2 points are clear, then we will just move on to the next step, and I'm gonna ask you one question now. Okay, so are you guys ready? Is this topic clear? Tell me faster. Tell me faster. Yes, sir. It's clear. Okay, answer. Yes, sir. Minus 5 by 10. Okay, so okay, minus 5 by 10, minus 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10. We are ready. Okay, let's see, Nathan, your answer is correct or wrong. Let's check this out. Okay, yes, so all are ready for the question, I think. Good. Okay, so this much is clear now. What's the next step now? First, okay, now yeah, we have 2 fraction. One is minus 8 by 10 and another one is minus 5 by 10. Now let's check out who can tell me the answer correctly. Tell me, which one is the smaller fraction? This one or this one? Which one is the smaller rational number? Smaller. You have to tell me the smaller rational number. Which one is smaller rational number? This one or this one? Which one is smaller? Minus 5 by 10. Minus 5 by 10 is the smaller. Minus 5 by 10 is smaller number. Okay, this one. So the one answer was minus 5 by 10. Is this right? Is there anyone who gave another answer? Minus 6. So Khushi said minus 5 by 8. Meena minus 5 by 8. Nitin minus 6. Okay, so the 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is also not the correct answer, Pita. So the answer is minus 8 by 10. Okay, minus 8 by 10 is the smaller number. Okay, is this clear, guys? Because with negative sign, what's the condition? With negative sign, the greater number is a smaller number. Again, I'm just repeating, with minus sign. If there is minus sign with the number, so the greater number will be the smaller number. Is this clear to everyone? Like if I will just tell you minus 10 and minus 2, minus 10 and minus 2. Okay, so there is minus sign now. So the greater one will be the smaller one. So which one is the greater one? 10. Minus 10. So minus 10 is the smallest number. Is this clear, guys? Minus 2. Minus 2 is not a smaller, Pita. With minus sign. With minus sign, greater number is a smaller number. Again, I'm just telling you, if there is minus sign, then totally opposite. वो जितना बड़ा होगा वो उतना ही छोटा होगा. Is this clear, Pita? If it's clear, so tell me faster. Sure. It is bigger. Okay, yeah, you were saying to hi sir Vishal, this is okay. Hi guys, Vishal. Okay, hi Vishal. Okay, yes, sir. Okay, good. Okay, so hope that topic is clear, na? Like if with minus sign, the greater number is a smaller number. Very simple thing. If there is minus sign, so totally opposite. If that number is greater, so that number will be that much smaller. Okay, I'm Rupesh. Okay, yeah, Rupesh, okay, yeah, Rupesh. Hmm. Is this clear, guys? So if it's clear, so let's move on. Okay, so which one is a smaller number? Minus 8 by 10. So which one will be the next? Okay, next one will be what? Minus 7 by 10. The next one will be what? Minus 6 by 10. Then minus 5 by 10. Okay, because negative, so we have to go in descending order. Okay, is this clear? So minus 5 by 10, then minus 4 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, and minus, okay, then what? Minus 1 by 10. It's gonna be like this. Is this clear? Okay, and yeah, we have to write on just only up to this. Okay, minus 5, then the next one will be minus 4 by 10. Is there any confusion, guys? Tell me faster. And yeah, I just got some answer also for first answer. Bible class, no sir. Sir, we start from 8 or 7. So we start from 8 or 7. Okay, here we have to start from 8 actually. Okay, one option is this, and in another way this one can be just okay. If this one is not clear, so this one can be solved in this way. Okay, sir. No, sir, please start. So this topic is not clear. Okay, so to whomever this topic is not clear, just type yes or no again. If this topic is clear, so just type yes. If this topic is not clear, so just type no. Yes, it's clear. Okay, yeah, it's clear to Priyanka. Okay, so this topic is clear to Priyanka only. And what's about other students? To other students also this topic is clear or not, guys? Take me faster. Yes, sir. Okay, so this is clear to Arpita, is clear to Tanisha also. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I think this topic is clear to most of the students. This topic is clear, I guess. There's no doubt in this. But I mean, what happened? So many students are absent today. Okay, what can be done actually? Okay, I'm just okay now I'm just gonna give you one question. Okay, and that question is also related to your chapter 11. I just want you guys to get ready with a copy and pen, and let's see who can tell me the answer faster. Okay, it's gonna be a challenge type. I'm just gonna give you one question and I just want answer from you, and let's see who can tell me the answer faster. Okay, faster. See here, 3 divided by 5 by 9. So tell me the answer of this. Faster. Whoever are watching this video can just tell me the answer, and let's see who can give me the correct answer faster. I just want the fastest answer. Hope question is clear. Now you have to tell me the answer faster. Let's see, 27. First wrong with this. Twisty 7 by 9. So let's check this out. Okay. Okay, let's check out. Denominator is nothing, so we can just write down 1. So 3 divided by 1. Divide sign will get converted into multiply, and because of this, then denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. So it will be 27 divided by 5. So that's the answer. And most of the students have given the correct answer actually. So just congrats to them. What's the answer? 27 by 5. So Priyanka has given me the correct answer. Tanisha has also given me the correct answer. Khushi has given me the correct answer. Why 9? Where is 9, Priyanka? Okay, the question was sister 3 divided by 1 and divide sign 5 divided by 9, and we will convert this divide sign, and whenever we convert this divide sign into multiply, so after that the numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. Okay, yeah, so this discussion was between Priyanka and Khushi actually. Okay, that's okay. So I hope this topic is clear. So okay, okay, yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's okay, no problem. So question is clear. I mean, and I think okay, about chapter 11. So your chapter 11 is just totally I think it's related to chapter 3 or 4 something. Most of the questions are like this. You can check out, all questions are like this. Okay, so you can solve most of the questions. I think there won't be any problem in solving question, but if you will have any problem, sir, 4.3, this question is related to 4.3, Priyanka. Maybe I exactly don't know. Maybe this chapter, I mean, this question is related to 4.3. But whatever, I mean, most of the questions are just like this, like either just add the fraction, subtract the fraction, multiply the fraction, divide the fraction. All questions are like this actually. No sir, I have doubt. Okay, yeah, you have doubt in 4.3. 4.3 is like which type of question? Can you just tell me one question related to 4.3, Priyanka? 11. Yeah, no, no, not from 4.3. I think 4 point, okay, yeah, this one is not from 4.3, but 4.3 questions are simple, Priyanka. Like the questions are like this. Okay, just give me only 2 minutes. The questions are like add, and the questions are given like 2 divided by 5, then plus sign, and then it could be minus 5 divided by 9 or something. Okay, so this type of questions are there. So class 8. Yeah, just 1 minute, guys, just 1 minute. Okay, just simply just see here. First of all, we have to write down the first fraction. Okay, now bracket means, we know that bracket means multiply, so this plus will get converted into minus, I mean sorry, plus into minus, then what to write down? 5 divided by 9. Between the fraction, bar graph. Okay, 4.3. Okay, Priyanka said 4.3. I'm sorry, Priyanka. I saw that, but I just don't know why couldn't I just notice that. I thought you have problem in 11.3. So 4.3 bar graph. So all have got problem in that. Sorry, actually, I just couldn't notice that. I was thinking that you're talking about 11.3, Priyanka. So Priyanka, sir, from 2.3. Okay, yes sir, 4 point. Okay, so can you guys, okay, whoever has problem in this, I just want one thing from you guys. Okay, do one thing, just write down that question on one rough copy page or in your copy, click that photo and send that question on my WhatsApp number. Okay, then I will be just in the next class we will just sort out all those doubts. So whoever has doubt in the question, write down that question on a page and mention your name also, then send me that question on my WhatsApp number. Then in the next class we will just sort out those doubts. Is this clear to everyone, guys? So whoever has doubt, just you can just write down your question just on a copy, and then you can send me your doubt on my WhatsApp number. Okay, clear, guys? No, sir, I don't have any doubt. Okay, that's good, Kushi. Yes, sir. 4.3 is bar graph. Okay, so yes, sir. Okay, good. So whoever has problem, it's clear what you have to do. Like in whatever the question you have problem, just write down that question in a copy, write down your name, and send me that question on my WhatsApp number. Then in the next class we will discuss about that. Okay. Okay, yeah, and one more thing. Do you wanna get? Yes, sir. Okay, good. Okay, do you guys wanna join class 8 class today? I mean, it's gonna be English grammar topic, voice, active voice and passive voice. So I know that like sir has taught you active voice and passive voice in the classroom. That's okay. But if you want to just revise, like as a revision type, if you want to attend the class, then we can. So are you guys interested in joining that English grammar class today, like voice session, active voice and passive voice? Class 7 type faster. If yes, then just type yes. If no, then just type no. Faster, guys. Okay, so I will. Okay, good. Yeah, so one student is gonna join that. Okay, good. Okay, so listen. I mean, now I'm just gonna just stop this class. Okay, so I will join. Okay, good. Yeah, good. Okay, so good. Priyanka and Kushi are gonna join in this. Okay, so that is good. Okay, but yeah, as usual, we know that this is math class and we can't mix up these two classes. So first of all, I will have to finish this live streaming. I'm just gonna come back, and if you want to join that class, then you can just come back again. Okay, in 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, guys. So thanks for joining me, and yeah, before going, sir, I will try. Okay, yeah, that's okay, Arpita, just try. Okay, you can just do this as a revision. So I just taught you in the classroom, I know, but as a revision you can join this. Okay, it will be a little bit plus point for you guys also. So I will try. Okay, yeah, good, Tanisha. Yeah, good. Okay, and one more thing. Last time I just told you about one, like about one class, that free English is spoken class, and yeah, I just want to start that as soon as possible. So as much as possible, you just spread news in your local area. Okay, because I want more and more students to join this and to get the benefit. Okay, guys, so if you haven't done this, then just do this. Okay, spread this news in your local area as much as possible. Within 2 to 3 days we will start the class. So now I'm just gonna offline, I'm just gonna just stop this live streaming, then I will come back in 2 minutes. You guys can join me back again. Okay, so now I'm just gonna offline, guys. Good night. If anyone is going to get sleep now,